Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab, and welcome to a new index card art word prompt. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Now today's word prompt is the word wellness. Wellness is defined as the state of being in good health, especially as an actively pursued goal. Okay, now before you pull out your index card and paints, glues, papers, and whatever else you're going to use to create this art that we're working on today, let's take a moment to think about what the word means to us and let that be the thing that inspires our art. All right? See you on the other side. right, so for the word wellness, I chose the image of the typewriter, okay? For me, making sure that I am not releasing my innermost thoughts and feelings in a public space, you know, the alternative to that is journaling. So for me, writing the typewriter just represents writing. For me, writing and documenting my thoughts and memories by way of journaling and art journaling, it's a form of therapy, a way to keep me well. And so what I did for this particular card was I used some watercolors and I just drizzled them, just played around with them in the background. And I used some scraps of paper and some, obviously I mopped up some of the paint with some book page that I was given from in Happy Mail. And then I just used some additional scraps right there, just to give it a little bit of interest. And then when it was all said and done, I popped that word prompt up a little bit on some cardstock behind it. I added some pearl, Nouveau drops to just 3, just to give it a little bit of interest. And then I outlined it, a little bit of doodle there, that's how the wellness works, a little bit of play. You got to play in order to stay well. You cannot take life so serious. So now I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now, if you are new to the channel and you are not currently a subscriber, but you're still here, it's time for you to hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, feel free to hit the thumbs up button, guys. I mean, it costs us nothing, right? Anyways, now for my returning subscribers, as always, I want to continue to thank you for your continued support. I never want to end my videos without thanking you for making sure that I know that my labor is not in vain, because you guys are in the comment section and I appreciate you. Now, with that being said, until we're back here together on YouTube and Patreon, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. And I will put a card up in the corner to the playlist so that you guys can go back to day 1 if you want to, or pick up wherever you left off. All right. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.